Next, let's look at how to draw a 90-degree angle or a right angle. First of all, we already know how to bisect a line segment. And if we bisect a line segment, we know here that this angle here is 90 degrees because we cut this 180-degree angle into two pieces. So that's one method of drawing a 90-degree angle. But it takes up a lot of space, and there is another alternative method which I will show you. First of all, we need a line segment or array. If there's one provided, use that. If there isn't, please draw one yourself. Anything is fine. I'm just going to draw a 70 centimetre line segment like this. Next, somewhere above the line segment, draw a point. Now, the point should be a comfortable distance, because we're going to use that as a radius, to one of the ends of the line segment or ray that you are using. I think that's a comfortable distance for my compass. It doesn't have to be directly above it. In fact, it shouldn't be. It should be perhaps further to the right. Next, this distance that you fabricated, measure this distance with your compass, like this. So now that distance is my radius. Next, put your compass so the point is on this point here. And draw a very large arc or three smaller arcs. Mine's moving a bit. Hopefully yours doesn't. And make sure that the arc goes directly above the point that you have here on the line segment. Next, connect this point here through this point up to the top like this. And finally, connect this point, and this should be directly above the point down there. And that there is your 90-degree angle. Now be careful, if you connect this point here through here, this is not 45 degrees. You cannot bisect the angle like this. The reason why is because you decided where to put this point. If I put it up there, for example, then you can clearly see that that wouldn't have been 45 degrees. So please do not assume that this angle here is 45 or this angle here is 45. Thank you very much.